Welcome to Zoho Analytics video demo. In this session, we'll explore how to trigger actions in other apps when an alert goes off, like sending messages, posting as a bot, updating tickets, and more. Start by opening the report you want to monitor. Click on the alert icon, then select Create Alert. In the Create Alert dialog, give your alert a name and set the required conditions. Once these conditions are met, the alert will be triggered. Zoho Analytics offers several actions beyond email and in-app notifications. Select Slack message to send a message in the Slack channel. Provide your channel's webhook URL. Then pick how you want your message to look. Either use a simple standard format or create a custom JSON message card. Similarly, you can send messages in Microsoft Teams when an alert is triggered. Select Webhook Request to initiate a webhook-based action. Enter your webhook URL and choose your HTTP method: post, put, or patch. Send your webhook data using either simple key-value pairs with form data, or choose a custom format to use JSON, XML, or similar formats. Select the Actions by Zoho Flow option to trigger actions in other applications. In the Actions by Zoho Flow dialog box, enter the action name. Select the application where the action should be triggered. Scroll down to choose the specific action to be performed. Choose a connection that links Zoho Analytics with the selected app. You can either use an existing connection or create a new one. Click Create New Connection. In the New Connection dialog box, enter a connection name and select the allowed actions for that connection. Please note that once created connections cannot be modified. It can only be deleted. After the connection is set, the configuration dialog appears. Here, you can define the exact actions, like sending messages, adding tickets, and other supported operations. Click Save to complete the setup. Once configured, the same connection can be reused to configure multiple actions across different alerts, making your setup efficient and scalable. To manage your alerts, click the alert icon and select Manage Alert. The Manage Alerts page displays a list of all alerts configured for the selected view. Click Edit Alert to modify the alert. Here, you can update the alert conditions or modify the associated actions. To update actions configured through Zoho Flow, click the Edit option next to Actions by Zoho Flow. This opens the Manage Actions page, which lists all actions set up using Zoho Flow. Click Edit next to any action to make changes. To add a new action, click the Add New Action button at the top. To view all existing connections and the alerts associated with them, click View All Collections. This feature empowers you to take immediate action when critical business events occur, helping you stay proactive and responsive. It enhances productivity by automating workflows and ensures you never miss a key opportunity. Thanks for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on our toll-free numbers.